Okay, so we can begin. So welcome everyone to the Meteor Hackathon closing ceremony. So we hope everyone had fun, got to network, socialize, and also learned a lot along the way. So let's give yourselves a big round of applause for your hard work and dedication. So before we move on to announcing the winners, I just want to review the judgment criteria once more. And this is the basis of what our judges used when they judge your app. So quality of code, the design, the presentation, so your communication skills, and how impactful it is, of course, and how helpful as well as realistic, and usability is also deployable. All right. So now that's out of the way. So here are the winners. So before we get to the top three, we actually have an award for the best presentation. And that prize is limited edition Meteor t-shirts, Meteor stickers, certificate of best presentation, and Galaxy credits. So that goes to Team Sus GAWKY. So congratulations, you won best presentation. The next is the third prize, and they will receive $500 in cash, $250 in Galaxy credits, a blog post in the Meteor blog, social media shout out, certificate of appreciation, and guest on our podcast. And that prize goes to Team the Central Budapest. So congratulations, you've won the third prize. On to the next prize. It's the second prize, of course. So $1,000 in cash, 500 in Galaxy credits, a blog post in the Meteor blog, a social media shout out, certificate of appreciation, and also a guest in our podcast. And that goes to Team Sus GAWKY. So congratulations. And the first prize is $2,000 in cash, $1,000 in credits, 4 hours in calls with the Meteor Core team, announcement to our email list of over 150K subscribers, a highlight on our website for a month, a blog post, social media shout out, certificate, and also being a guest on our podcast. And that goes to Team Fasalians. So congratulations, you guys won first place. And that pretty much concludes this year's closing ceremony. Just as a reminder, all participants will receive a certificate of participation as well as Galaxy credits. So if you decide you wanted to upgrade your plan on cloud, you can do that. So I'll reach out to everyone sometime mid-October. So yeah, thank you so much for being a great audience and bringing your enthusiasm to the event. Also, thank you to our sponsors, Vasco, Rocket Chat, Pathable, and special shout out to Jan, storyteller as well. He's joined me today. And shout out to my team as well. Jessa, Fred, Enrique, Alim, Denelson, Vitor, Felipe, and Gabriel. So take care, everyone. Be safe and good luck with your future endeavors. We hope to see you again next time.